In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach files to tasks in teamwork.com, a super useful feature that can streamline your workflow and help you stay organized. If you've just started using Teamwork, this will be an easy and quick way to maximize its efficiency for your projects. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can actually use Teamwork completely free with our exclusive bonuses by clicking the link below. Stick around till the end because I've got a special extended trial offer just for you. Now let's get into how to attach files to tasks in Teamwork. The process is really simple, but knowing the right steps will save you time and help keep everything in one place. To start, navigate to the task that you want to attach files to. You'll find your task list on the project's main page. Click on the specific task you want to add files to, and you'll be taken to its detailed view. From here, you'll see an option to add files. On the right side of the screen, there's a Files tab. Click on that tab, and you'll see an option to upload a file. You can either drag and drop files directly into this section, or click the Upload button to choose a file from your computer. Teamwork allows you to attach various file types, whether it's a document, image, spreadsheet, or presentation. It's all about keeping your work in one place, so you don't waste time searching for scattered files later on. Once you've attached your file, you can add a comment or note alongside it. This is perfect if you want to provide context or instructions related to that file. The comment will be visible to everyone on the task, making collaboration super easy. Another great feature is the ability to attach files from Google Drive, Dropbox, or even OneDrive. If you're using these services, all you need to do is click the respective icon, sign into your account, and you can easily select and attach files directly to the task. And let's not forget, if you're working in a team, attaching files to tasks is one of the best ways to ensure that everyone has the information they need in the right place. No more sifting through endless emails or files. If you're managing multiple tasks, this feature makes it so much easier to track your progress and keep everything aligned. Files are tied directly to tasks, so when you or your team members check the task progress, the files are right there. This keeps your workflow organized and saves you from the hassle of having to go through different platforms or folders. In case you need to attach multiple files, Teamwork allows you to upload several at once, which is a huge time saver. Just select all the files you want and they'll be added to the task in a single click. Before I wrap this up, don't forget to check out the link below to get your hands on Teamwork's free trial with extra bonuses just for watching this video. If you're looking to streamline your project management and improve collaboration with your team, this tool is perfect for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to make use of that extended free trial. The link is in the description, so be sure to grab it now.